Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be looking at the Metal Toys DZ Corian Blue TopB. It's gonna be cool. I now have a Patreon. If you guys are interested, and I would be super grateful if you guys would become my patrons. It is just my regular handle, Fidget Girl EDC. So check it out, patreon.com/Fidget Girl EDC, and become a patron for exclusive content. Exclusive. There is a poll to see what you guys want to see, but I am posting some videos, and yeah, check it out. So let us get started. There may be some additional background noise, but don't worry about it. It's just there. Just embrace it. Alright, so we open it up. And we got some stuff. Let's see what we got. That's my dog being gross. We got some extra balls. Wait, is that only 3? Why 3? Did they only include 3 springs too? Some screw glue. I'm baffled as to only 3. I don't know. Let's check out the stickers. But also the tool. Stickers. Oh, this is textured. And glittery. Bubble. Sad face. Only one sad face. Man, not many stickers. Alright, so let's move these out of the way. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Check out that blue. Sad face. It's so sad. Love this color blue. And it comes installed with the Peak click plate. Sounds awesome. I was holding it upside down. Whatever. You can hold it however you want. It's so snappy. So I have other TopBs. I have a zirconium one. Ooh, that shows up very well. Currently this has the Peak ZZ plate. this one, my brass, and it has the Peak skateboard plate. And let me tell you, you get the Peak skateboard plate and you put it in something heavy, a TopB, heavy TopB, and it feels awesome. I don't know why. It just feels so cool. It's like super smooth. It is addicting. It just glides. It just does. And then I've got this one, and it's got the Teflon ZZ plate. Can't really hear it. These are all the bubbles. Nice little bubble picture. But I'm thinking that we should take a look inside. So this is how they have it set up. It looks like two long springs, and oh, if I pick it up it's gonna fall over. But it looks like, oh, you know what I can do? I can move my camera. Here we go. So we got two adjacent longer springs and then two shorter springs, it looks like. Because one of those balls is like popped up. But this is what it looks like from the side. If it'll focus. So there we go. You guys got to see into my light box. That was much better than me trying to pick it up. That would have been a disaster. And then here you can see the plate. The click plate. And that is the inside of the Coran Blue. Do I want to want to try. But like, what would it sound like with this ZZ? Do we want to know? Let's find out. Just real quick. Oh God. Let's just see. Let us see, let us see, let us see. Oops. Let me back out. I just love this color blue. It's just so pretty. So this is pretty nice, the ZZ plate. I didn't put the screws back on because we're just going to be switching it back anyways, so... But it feels nice. Might have to switch it to this. Eventually. For a little bit. But that's cool. Alright, now let's change it back. Oh no. I knocked off one of the balls. Fuck. Okay. Go back. Go back. It's fighting with me. Okay, put that back on. Put this back on. So would you guys like to see me do different settings for this with different balls? Let me know. I can do that. Right now it is super clicky. But I can try Teflon balls, I can try zirconia. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is the end of the video. Do you guys have a Coran? What do you guys think of these peak plates? By the way, you can get peak plates at playforbeans.com. Playforbeans.com. This Coran blue was a gift, and I am grateful for it because I can show you guys these peak plates, which are amazing. They are incredible, and you guys should definitely get some. They are a game changer for these TopBs. Like, wow. Especially that skateboard plate on a heavy TopB. If you got something brass or heavier, seriously, try it. For real. It is amazing. I haven't tried it in my zirconium one. So yeah, this is the end. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like the video, please like it, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have an awesome day, fantastic time. I hope everything is going stellar, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. See ya.